This is the Headless Headhunter doing a resume review of name. That's their name. They are looking for a software engineer intern position. So, as per usual with our software engineer positions, especially software engineer intern positions or software developer intern positions, which are functionally the same to most corporations, you're going to need a basic knowledge of the tech stack, the ability to work with others, and take direction and criticism. That's what they're going to be looking for. Sometimes maybe like masters and PhDs are going to be a little bit different, but right now this is. But that doesn't look the case. So let's see. So formatting is sufficient. I like it. All right. Researcher developing a top-down 2D simulation of Knoxville using Unity game engine while focusing accuracy, real world representation. Okay, that's cool. Does not have the skills I would need. I do see C sharp developer, but I need to see that it was written in. So implementing AI algorithms to analyze and visualize traffic patterns. So this is fine. I like AI there. That can be beneficial. Navigated and led a design team over a team of developers, deliver custom. Okay. Conducted customer feedback. Blah blah. Let's see. Wait, what? Why is this? Okay, this is off because this was May to current. This is October to current. Oh, I see. I see where this is. Okay, yeah. So there's a formatting thing. So, collaborated with a team of developers to create full stack web applications. You need to say what that stack is. I know it's basic. Also, I'm off the camera, but you absolutely need to showcase what that stack was. You cannot just say full stack. You need to say Java, JavaScript, or whatever JavaScript, Angular, TypeScript, HTML, CSS, and it, I think I might have gotten them. There's a lot of names, but those are what you're going to need. So developed. Oh, okay, I get it. Developed using a Python Django framework. Ones of libraries I put in Py, streamlined data, made no okay. So I I'm on the fence on this resume. I don't think it's bad. I think you have the bones of it here. You're just going to need some tweaks. So specifically, and this looks awkward. So what I think you need to do, I'm trying to think of how to do this because this one's a little weird. Uh, so first off, let's do the bullet points and I can do this. Um, I need to know what this was coded in. I need you to write the tech stack. All right. I know it's Unity. I don't know what Unity is in. Implemented AI algorithms is solid. I need a little bit more. I think this is good, but my biggest issue with here is there's no tech stack here. Here is a UI UX team, iOS donations. This is good on a point of ability to work with others, which is led, but I need more about this, right? Led a UI UX design team with X amount of developers to deliver a customized iOS donation kiosk application would be better, but this is a solid sentence at least. And then conducted customer experience research and development. This is not related unless you say specifically conducted research development to change things based on that, and then crafted several designs for various organizations. This means nothing. So I need you to say that you have feedback. I need to say that you were given feedback and changed it. I need to see that you were working with other engineers and what you did with that stuff. Then for here, I need the tech stack. That's that. I don't see any of it. And it's this doesn't count. Like you cannot have your tech stack as a blob. It needs to be peppered throughout the resume. So I don't know how many interviews you would be getting with this. I can definitely see some recruiters moving you forward, specifically probably because of this and AI, but I want you to have a better chance. So please show how you did that stuff. So that is my review for this. I'm iffy on if it would pass. So, but I'm pretty sure we get past some recruiters. But again, it's so like oversaturated. I want you to have the best chance. So with that being said, awkward transition. Button click. So we've got anonymous candidate, and they are well, they're looking for another internship, but this one is Devops. So just like the last internships, it's going to be these, but the actual tech stack keywords are going to be a little bit different. So You're gonna need like the word DevOps specifically. You're gonna need maybe Git, Linux, or Unix. I think I might have wrote that one down. Unix or Linux. Anything with cloud, GCP, AWS, Azure. I don't know why I keep forgetting Azure. And then you want scripting languages, so maybe and Docker if there are a couple of them, along with AI and dashboards, along with yet again ability to work with others and taking direction. So. The keywords are going to be a little more specifically for the tech stack, stringent than a software engineer specifically. But let's look at what they have. So, computer engineer with hands-on experience in CI/CD integration for AI workflow. I normally do not like intro sentences, but they kind of got a couple of keywords there, so I'm going to let it slide. Leveraging. Oh, I hate the word leveraging. Nobody uses leveraging. I've seen it used right in like one. Leveraging an interdisciplinary background in software engineering, hardware achieved 96% and data mapping through hardware. Yeah, just this sentence can be deleted. Please stop using leveraging in your resumes. I beseech you. It is everybody uses it and it means nothing. I feel like recruiters' eyes gloss over if they see leveraging. Stop using leveraging. I don't know where that word came from in the resume, but it is not a good one. All right. Algorithms, machine learning. This is okay. Mainly because you have your masters. I don't know what VLSI algorithm is. Typically, a recruiter would probably only take in the machine learning part. Then coursework, I don't know if this is needed either. So this part isn't really needed because like you're expected that. This one I can keep. But yeah, so basically delete this little line right here. And then languages, okay. See, this doesn't mean anything. What is intermediate? What is Java? Sorry, what is entry level for that? Like, you cannot just say, I have. There's also these, you didn't do this, which is good, but people do these like five bubbles with some of the bubbles put in and like average Excel. You cannot. That is telling me you are good. You have to show me you are good. So this isn't needed. This is okay, but it's also expected you're going to use those. I really prefer them in here. Okay. And then AI infrastructure engineer intern, that is a good one. Python, Ray, Flow. Led the development of a Python script using Airflow and Docker to process large data sets on AWS every 15 minutes, enhancing data handling efficiency. So this is solid. I like this. It tells you what it is. I don't really like enhancing efficiency. I want to know, what does that mean? Enhancing efficiency. How enhance? Was it a 0.8%? Was it a 20%? You could just say which improved our AI projects or something like that. Collaborated with senior engineers to resolve memory issues. I guess collaborated works with this by optimizing data processes with improving system reliability and reducing errors. So yeah, I like the fact that it's you were working with other engineers. Everybody says collaborated. I would prefer you go a little bit more in detail, specifically like collaborated with. I'm going to keep collaborated other engineers, or you know what? No, just say worked with other engineers on our XYZ to resolve memory issues by doing XYZ. Um, let's see, design an automated system to clean database with gigabytes of data. This doesn't say anything except for AI. So I see a lot of software engineers say clean, and I don't know if I've ever seen an actual job description have that as a qualification. Like clean the data. It's the manager might ask that, but like I don't think I've seen a job description with it. Develop an advert associating opening a GP React Flask, reducing content creation. So this is the type of sentence I like. It has AI, it has React, which even though it's not one of those keywords, could be one of those keywords. Uh, and yeah, that's solid. So yeah, I mean, look, this isn't a bad resume. I think it's got a lot of fluff. I want more of these keywords though, specifically in engineering. I need more of these keywords. So I do like that you worked well with others. I do need something that shows you can take direction, and I want more keywords, especially the keyword DevOps. It's kind of critical. I need you to write the word DevOps, make it that obvious. Shout it from the hilltops. So yeah, I don't know. I could see some recruiters possibly moving you forward, but the market is very tough. So the fact that they don't see DevOps means they may not even move you forward, but the rest of it is okay. So yeah, I just need you to be more sentences like whatever the heck this one was. Uh more sentences like this, but I need them in the bullet points. So that's my review. We're going for a maybe move forward, but not likely. So scene transition. This resume is resilient digital Vinci. That is a nightmare to say for me. They are looking for a software engineer position. And if you noticed on my keywords, that's not a lot of keywords and it's blank. And the reason for that is going to very much be they just said software engineer about what they want to be. The problem with that is it could be front end, it could be back end, it could be full stack. In addition, if it's backend, it could be a Python, it could be a Java, it could be a C, one of the sharps or the flats or the whatevers. So I don't actually know. And I'm going to do this resume a little bit different, Digital Vinci, which is a great name, because I don't know. So there's this blob that drive customer success. Okay, first off, I am a US based recruiter. So if you're doing this outside the US, take what I say with a grain of salt. The resume meta may not be the same over there. But digital hackathon, okay, infrastructure, this tells me nothing. My strength lies, okay, this tells me nothing, 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 nothing. This entire thing can be sufficiently deleted. Technical skills. All right, we have Java, TypeScript, Python, and Java, along with Node.js, Express, React. So this leads me to think you're more of a full stack developer, uh, software engineer, improved by over. But then this says Scala. Played a role in modern architecture from API CL. Okay, this is Python. Okay, there's nothing there that I can use. Upgraded company's core services and process over. Okay, nothing, nothing. MySQL I have, and Jenkins is one. Docker is one. Okay, TypeScript. Yeah, I okay. No one's gonna go that far. That's page two. So, oh god, my cord is caught. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna rule a no on this because I'm assuming you're a full stack engineer, but I don't know if that's actually the case because the way you need to write software engineer resumes, at least in the United States, it's not like this. But your problem is you're not, and I mentioned this in another video, you are telling me these things, you're not showing me. I will need, as an example, I'm going to type over here from you is I'm going to need your tech stack and I need that peppered throughout, right? Because right now I don't know what that is. If it's full stack, it's going to be TypeScript, HTML, CSS, uh, and JavaScript along with a side language, which could be Python, it could be Java, it could be whatever. And then I'm also going to need specifically anything involving cloud, which I don't know. Maybe you did have it and I missed it. Oh, here it is. AWS is right here. Yeah, there's that and GCP. Okay, that's actually good, but I don't see it here. Yeah, I need others and anything with SQL. So oh, let's not pull that up and a sequel. So I'm not getting any of that from this resume. I do not know what you're looking for. I don't know. I assume based on this that you're doing full stack, but this doesn't read like a full stack resume. Uh, it doesn't read like any resume. That's the problem. So I am going to need you to basically scrap most of this, and this entire thing can be deleted. Uh, and I'm going to need these in your bullet points, right? I want to say this. Okay, look, I have to bring this up. So my the link to my resumes, how you build a resume is below here or in the thing, and this is how I need you to write this because this is incomprehensible. So this is how I need this structured, right? First last name, phone number, email, LinkedIn. If you're not in the US, this might be very different. So you don't, I don't know, I don't think you, I don't know the EU, whatever, how you do that. Then I need your degree, which, did you have it? You have it here? You do. Okay. Then you have your degree right here, and that should be basically it. You do not need a second one. Then I need your work history, and I need it in this format too. I need a summary sentence, right? How that's going to look is like this. This is for a barista, which is very far and away from the duties of what you do, but you need to write it like that. This is going to be your summary sentence. Then everything else is going to be those keywords that I mentioned over there, right? You can have some of them here, but this is to showcase what you do. Because right now, this resume tells me nothing. And maybe this is very comprehensible to somebody in IT, but like those are not the people that are first line of defense. In addition, it's entirely possible that the hiring manager isn't going to see these things because they're going to be looking for different types of keywords too. So I would not move forward with this because I don't see what I need. Like this is a solid parts, but like I don't know your primary language, and most managers want you to put a primary language. So if you want, I would stop by the stream because you may need a little bit more assistance. But it's clear that you have some good experience, but like no one's going to dig that down to find it. So, and I assume that the market outside the US and tech is still tough as well. So, I love the name Digital Da Vinci. Please come back, resubmit it with some of those changes, or come by the my Twitch channel where I can actually help you with writing these because you're not far off from having good resume. It just you need to change a few things. So, but right now this is going to be it. So that'll be it for me. If you like the comment, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Hit the bell, whatever they say, and stop by my Twitch channel for live help. So I'm the Headless Headhunter, and I'm here to help. Being transition.